friends, welcome to this world. Today I want to show you how the natural rubber is processed from the latex. Now I am standing in a rubber tree estate. You can see so many rubber trees behind me. Let's get into the video. Rubber is mainly harvested in the form of latex. There are many day-to-day life components used by us, which are made up of rubber, like mattress, tire, hose, rubber bands, and so on. I will show how the tapping process is doing. This is a rubber tapping knife. Here I show you how the rubber is being processed from the latex. Rubber tapping is the process by which latex is collected from a rubber tree. The latex is harvested by slicing a groove into the bark of the tree at a depth of a 1/4 inch with a hook knife and peeling back the bark. Trees must be about 6 years old and 6 inches in diameter in order to be tapped for latex. Each night or early morning, a rubber tapper removes a thin layer of bark along a downward half spiral on the tree trunk. The spiral allows the latex to run down to a collection cup. The work is done at night or in the early morning before the day's temperature rises, so the latex will drip longer before clothing or sealing the cut. Naturally clotted latex, sometimes referred to as scuppellum, is collected for processing into block rubbers. This is tapping shade, which is used for protecting tapping panel, bark area, and latex collection cup from rainwater. Collected latex either can be kept safe in big containers to move over or can be processed at home itself. In small scale, the latex is poured into dishes, adding sufficient water and chemicals to setting up. After 5 to 6 hours, the latex becomes rubber sheets and are further taken into hand-run roller to make thin and shaped sheets. Big plantations used mechanized rubber rollers, while small plantations used hand-run rollers. Two different types of hand-run roller are used. One to make thin and flat shaped sheets, and other to press and make mark on it. Processed rubber sheets kept in sunlight to dry it out. After fully dried out, these should be taken into specially built smoke houses or in the kitchen over the chullas to smoke it out. The sheets are placed in smoke sheds or over the chullas with low temperature so that it gets a golden brown color and turn into RSS4 quality rubber. This is one of the fully processed rubber sheet. This can be sold at 131 rupees per kg in current market. Asia is main source of natural rubber, accounting 94% of world's total consumption. Please like, share and consider subscribing if you feel this video is useful. Thank you. Bye bye.